Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to have you here today, and today I'm gonna share with you some tips, some simple tips that would help you if you ever need it. I hope you're having a blessed day, and let's go to the video. So if that ever happens to you and your brakes light came on like that, there's a few things you can check. So what you do, turn your car off, hold the hood. So if your brakes light ever came on, just check these few things. When you go in the hood, just look right there at the brakes fluid. Find your brakes fluid wherever it is. As you can see, mine, the cap is off. Anyway, I was told just to check my brakes fluid level and see if everything is alright. Mine is okay. The level of brakes fluid is enough. And my brakes cap cover is off. Not knowing how that happened or what caused it, but I'll mention it out to VW techs or whatever and see if they know how. But anyway, those are just some things to check that. As long as it's just the brakes, if it's the ABS and brakes, then you definitely need to check, because you can be messing with your brakes itself and you don't want to play around your brake or go drive in your car without brake and not knowing. Yeah, so just be safe and don't drive if you don't have brakes. Yeah, so this seems to fix my situation. So you come and you check that, make sure everything is good with that. And if that happens to be the problem, you're fixed. All right, back in the car, start it up. Wait a few seconds. Just to make sure it's all good. Yep, that seems to be what's the problem. And that was the problem. Problem fix. So all you do is just check those brakes fluid cover, make sure they're good. I mean, it surprised the dealer that this ever happened. He said he's gonna mention it and let the dealership knows, and if it happens again to more vehicle, then that's gonna be a problem. But for now, that seems to solve it. It works, so try that. And if it's anything else, take it to the dealership. Hope this helped. Have a wonderful day, guys. Do subscribe, like, and share this video for more. Bye.